Every time you go shopping, it feels like your money buys less. Bread, fuel, rent, even Netflix, the prices keep climbing. Inflation is eating away at our wallets, and many people feel helpless. But here's the twist. In 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just about robots, ChatGPT, or fancy tech. It's becoming one of the most powerful financial tools you can use to protect your hard-earned money. So in this video, I'm going to break down, step by step, how you can fight inflation using AI-powered tools, apps, and strategies, and how ordinary people, just like you, can stretch every dollar further, invest smarter, and stop feeling like the system is stacked against them. Stay with me because by the end, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to keep your money safe in 2025, no matter what happens with inflation. 1. What inflation really means for you. Explain inflation in human terms. Inflation isn't just a number economists talk about on TV. It's why your $100 grocery bill last year now costs $120. It's why your savings in the bank feel like they're shrinking even though the balance looks the same. Talk about hidden inflation, shrinkflation, smaller packs for same price, subscription creep. Relatable example. That bag of chips you love? Same price, but half the air is now chips. Build empathy. It's frustrating because you feel like you're working harder but getting less in return. Transition. This is where AI steps in, not as a magic button, but as a set of tools to fight back. 2. How AI helps you track and control spending. Introduce AI budgeting apps like Clio, Inab with AI, ChatGPT-based personal finance bots. Explain how they connect to your bank and read your habits better than you can. Example, AI doesn't just show you a pie chart. It predicts that you're overspending on food delivery and suggests cheaper alternatives. Talk about real-time alerts. Imagine getting a message that says, "Hey, you spent 20% more than usual on gas this month. Here's the cheapest station nearby." That's AI helping you fight inflation in the moment. Break. Instead of feeling guilty after the month ends, AI makes you smarter in the moment. 3. AI to protect your savings from losing value. Problem: cash in the bank loses value because interest rates often don't keep up with inflation. AI-driven solutions. High-yield savings account finders. AI compares banks automatically. AI investing platforms. Robo-advisors like Betterment, Wealthfront, that shift money into inflation-protected assets. Micro-investing apps powered by AI that help you put small amounts into ETFs or TIPS bonds, inflation-protected securities. Example, let's say inflation is 6%. AI can suggest bonds or stocks that historically perform well when inflation rises. It's like having a mini financial advisor in your pocket, 24/7 at no cost. Break. You don't need to be rich. These tools are designed for everyday people. 4. AI and smarter shopping hacks. Talk about AI shopping assistants, Honey, Capital One Shopping, ChatGPT price comparison. Explain dynamic price monitoring. AI can tell you the best time to buy a laptop when flights are cheapest or when that grocery store raises prices, so you buy at the right time. Mention AI coupon finders and cashback bots. Relatable example. Imagine saving $300 a year just because an AI bot automatically applies discounts you didn't even know existed. Break. When prices rise, every small saving matters. AI makes those savings automatic. 5. AI-powered income boosting. Explain that fighting inflation isn't just about saving. It's also about earning more. Introduce side hustles powered by AI. AI freelancing tools, copywriting, design, coding assistance. AI for gig workers, Uber, DoorDash, optimizing routes, more income. AI marketplaces where people sell AI-generated art, templates, ebooks. Example, one person used ChatGPT to create digital planners, listed them on Etsy, and made extra monthly income to cover rising bills. Break. Inflation doesn't feel as scary when you add a new stream of income. 6. AI risk management and long-term planning. AI in insurance. Finds the cheapest coverage that matches your lifestyle. AI in retirement planning. helps adjust investment strategy automatically as inflation changes. AI alerts for fraud, protecting money from scams that increase during economic stress. Example, AI can warn you if your spending patterns look suspicious before you even notice your card was hacked. Break. It's not just about saving, it's about protecting. Recap of main points. 1. Inflation shrinks money's value. 2. AI helps you budget smarter. 3. AI protects your savings. 4. AI helps you shop and invest wisely. 5. AI even creates new income opportunities. Inflation doesn't have to be the enemy. If you embrace AI tools now, you can turn the tide in your favor. Imagine walking into 2025 not worried about rising prices, but confident that your money is working harder than ever. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend who's struggling with rising costs, and subscribe for more AI-powered money tips. The future of finance is changing fast, and I'll help you stay ahead.